Hi there, handbaggers, and welcome to the Duck's Nest. This is the military mom, and I don't think natural light is going to be my friend today. I thought I would film some random handbag observations, but the natural light in the Duck's Nest is ebbing and flowing, so I hope the lighting isn't too bad. So I have a couple of things to share with you all, so let's go ahead and get started. The first thing I wanted to do, I think I'm going to start with this item. This, if any of you who follow my channel remember, is my wallet that I have been carrying since 2018. But I love this Coach wristlet so much because of the organization. There are two zippered compartments, and the back one has credit card slots. I've shown this before, but just in case you haven't seen it, there are credit card slots, and then there's another slot in the back, a slip pocket that is, and the center compartment holds my coupon pouch. Yes, I have stopped carrying my coupons in a Ziploc bag, and I actually have this clear pouch that I carry in the center compartment. And I also carry my Dooney & Bourke Dylan card case, which I have been handling since 2018, so she needed to be cleaned. And what I did was I used this cleaner. This is a cleaner that came with my leather sofa. Sofa's leather, card case is leather. Let's see what happened. Well, this leather sofa cleaner cleaned my Dylan card case beautifully. Yes, it did. So here is Dylan, grimy Dylan, the side that I have not cleaned. And here is Dylan, the side that I did clean, with this leather cleaner, this little sponge, and I just pumped this on the sponge, circular motions. This was clean in no time, and it worked. So that is the cleaner that is used for the items here in the Duck's Nest. I also have this leather protection cream that came along with this cleaner. I do not use this cream on my handbags. I do use this conditioner, the Aussie leather conditioner. And if you all are considering using this leather conditioner, you should know that it dulls the shine on a bag, but it conditions the bag beautifully. It lasts a long time. It will weatherproof the bag, but you won't get that beautiful high gloss sheen. This will actually dull it, but it does a great job of conditioning and protecting. And I bought the leather honey because, like any good handbagger, you should have more than one of anything. So this I bought on the recommendation from the review that Melissa did over on her channel, Melissa's Purses. I also bought this Chamberlain's leather milk, and I have a project for the leather milk, the leather honey, and the Aussie leather conditioner, which I will do in a separate video. I'll let you all know what happens with that project. The second thing that I wanted to share with you all is this bag. So this is my Coach nylon tote in the color black. She has an awesome 12-inch strap drop, leather handles, great organization. She has a turn lock pocket. She has a magnetic back slip pocket. She doesn't have any feet. She has an interior, is that open? Wait. She has an interior zip and she has 2 additional slips. She is also a total black hole. One of the things that I am not crazy about with this tote, another thing that I'm not crazy about with this tote is the fact that she does not have a key keeper. So because I love her so much, I thought I would remedy that by improvising. How did I do that? I bought this item from eBay. So let me just show you first of all, well, let me show you what the item is. So this is a dragonfly, and it has a leash on one end, and this is what they're calling it. And here's what I paid for it. And they included a little instruction sheet on, I don't know if that's coming across well. So this is how you apply it or engage it or use it. So let's see how it works on the Coach nylon tote. So you just basically drop it over the side of your bag. It's really nice hardware. Did I give you all a close-up? I may not have given you a close-up of the hardware. There's the back side. So we're going to, is that the front? Yeah, we're going to drop her there. And my key conglomeration is massive, so this will be a good test. All right, so there's the front of the bag, and then here's the interior. And this is nylon, so it's going to sag probably. I put it on the end because that's where the Dooney and Burke key keepers are typically located, so that's why I put her there. But you know what? We can break with tradition and move her so that it hangs here, however we want to do that, because it's our bag, right? So this is what happens on this nylon bag. But I can pop it open, and there are my keys. So after I've actually used it, I will do another review. So just want to quickly introduce you to the existing bag charm. This is Denzel Washington Dolphin there. And on this bag, I have Charlton Heston Cardinal. And of course, my favorite, GPP, you know me. This is Gregory Peck Pig. All right, so moving on, I thought that I would do a quick comparison of some of the neutrals since we're in the spring summer season. So here is the Dooney and Burke satchel in bone. Here is the Michael Kors tote in vanilla, and here is the Dooney and Burke double tassel zip pouch in white. So let me just bring white. This is pebble leather, of course. Can you see that shade? And then here, of course, is the beautifully subtle Dooney and Burke bone, which to me is more of a vanilla than the Michael Kors vanilla. So all three together just a shade comparison, the white against the vanilla and the bone. There. All right, and last but not least, I have an unboxing, but not the kind of unboxing you all might be expecting. This is a gift from a member of my Bible study group. Here's the box that this little item came in. And I have to tell you a story behind this. This is an item that my Bible study friend received as a gift. So yes, she regifted it to me, but she received it as a gift in the year 1963. So if my math is correct, this item is 55 years old. And she never used it. So technically it's brand new. Technically. I'm bringing it in so that you all can see the embroidery on this bag that would cost us an arm, a leg, and 2 toes in our current economic environment. Look at that. And these straps are reminiscent of the chain and leather straps that you are seeing on current bags, which proves 2 things. There's nothing new under the sun, and what goes around comes around. Look at that. I think I have 2 bags that have this chain and leather detailing that I bought from Coach recently. So let me just introduce you to the bag. First of all, let me start at the bottom. She has feet, and you can tell they're brass because they're tarnished. She of course has short handles. She has a beautiful scalloped clasp, and she has two exterior pockets which still have the original packaging that I believe has turned brown with age. So yeah, Dooney, get a clue about the exterior pockets. They were done way back in 1963, so you can do them more often on your bags. You have our permission. So this clasp, of course, you pull it up and it opens, and she has her original stuffing. And what is that in the bottom? Oh, there's a dime down there. All right, so this is like calfskin leather. This bag is lined in a very, very soft leather, and she has only one interior pocket. No registration card in this one. I just lost that dime. But anyway, I wanted to share this very, very thoughtful and elegant gift with you all. So there you have it, handbaggers. The latest hatchling from the duck's nest, and she's 55 years old. All right, I think that is all that I wanted to share with you all. Let me just make sure. Yep, thanks for dropping by the duck's nest, and as always, happy carrying.